Okay, this is the Module 2 skills test about the seasons, and this is the first diagram you're going to see. One thing that's important to understand is that each of these little Earths, is at 4 different positions of the Earth during its orbit around the Sun. And obviously this is not to scale, first of all. But also notice that there is the Earth's axis is drawn in here. And notice that while the Earth is tilted with respect to its rotational, or its orbital plane, the orientation of the tilt is the same throughout the entire orbit. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind, of course, the distances. The distances are listed in that table, showing the distance of the Earth from the Sun at these various lettered locations. And then what you have to do is you have to match the locations, A, B, C, D, with the proper month. What month would go with the position of the Earth as it orbits the Sun, knowing that, of course, it's going counterclockwise when viewed from above. Okay, then once you've gotten through that part of the skills test, continue on down so you see this diagram. Now what this diagram is supposed to indicate is that you've got 2 important lines here, the Tropic of Capricorn, and you've also got the Tropic of Cancer. And notice that there is a little bit of a difference. Maybe I can change my colors here a little bit to make this stand out a little bit. There's a difference of a few thousand miles between the distance that the direct light right now is striking the Tropic of Capricorn compared to the distance that the light is traveling from the Sun to reach the Tropic of Cancer. There is a small couple thousand mile difference there. See whether that has an impact as far as the heating of the Earth during the course of the year. That's what you'll be asked about in the following question. I think it's question number 3. Okay, then continuing on down, again we have a not to scale sort of image of the Earth at a couple of different parts, or a couple of different points of its orbit around the Sun. And what you're asked to do in question 4 is you are asked to match the location A, B, C, D, or E with the location being, with the season being experienced at those locations. So again, keep an eye on those lettered locations and decide whether that particular location is experiencing winter, spring, summer, or fall. And then finally, in question 5, you're asked to rank the positions A through E according to the number of daylight hours that they're going to experience during a 24-hour day. So is there a location that's going to be seeing complete darkness, in which case that would be ranked least? Is there a location that's experiencing 24 hours of sunlight? In that case, that would be ranked most, and you'll just select accordingly.